How to fix low memory on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll explain how to resolve the low memory warning in Roblox. So if your device is running low on memory, you may see a message that says your memory is low. Leaving the game now will save your progress and prevent Roblox from crashing, which can result in the error code 292. So to fix a low memory warning, it's important to understand that this issue is related to the RAM, not the storage. You don't need to uninstall any apps. Instead, focus on the apps currently running on your device. First, if you encounter this error, try closing the Roblox application and restart your device. Simply turn it off and then turn back it on. If you still receive the low memory warning after restarting, there may be other apps running in the background. So on an iPhone, you can swipe from the bottom of the screen to view all the open apps and close them. And in the Android, you can go ahead and click on these three lines in the left-hand side of the screen and then click on Close All option. This will free up memory for Roblox. If you continue to see the low memory warning while playing on Roblox games, you can reduce the graphics quality to help resolve the issue. If you're inside a game, click on this Roblox icon in the top corner of the screen and then go to Settings. Scroll down and go to Graphics Mode option. If it is set to manual, switch it to automatic to see if that helps. If it does not, change it back to manual and lower the graphics quality. You may also need to adjust it a few times to find the right settings that work for you. And after lowering the graphics quality, return to the Roblox and this should resolve this low memory warning issue. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.